I'm going to trim the blooms of my baby rubber plant or peperomia. Come and join me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel Indoor Tropical Plants and Cooking. So for this video, I'm going to show you how I trim my baby rubber plant or peperomia because I don't like these flowers, the blooms, and some of them are kind of falling apart now. So we're gonna trim it. I got one there. I got my scissor here, and then let's go trim all those blooms of my baby rubber plant. To cut it over here, guys, as you can see, like that. Put it in my garbage bag there. This one, same. There's a lot of flowers, but this one I'm gonna cut it on the top. Not gonna plant this because I got lots of baby rubber plant already. I'm gonna trim this one too. Cut the leaves. This one is perfect now. So we're gonna move to this one. So that the plant focus more on the leaves becoming more bushier. I like that than the flowers. So that's it. Look at this one, guys. And this is the other one. Oh, look at this, guys. There's a lot of blooms. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got that blooms here. This one. I like that. That one. And then this one. And that one. And then I'm gonna cut those dried leaves there on the bottom. Kind of trim it a little bit. This one too. There. Oh, there's one more there. Here you go. And then that's done. So we're gonna move to this one. Look at this, guys. How huge the flowers. And that's it, I think, for this one. I'm gonna trim a little bit the leaves. Let's get those big leaves there. Like that. Yeah. So now they are more looking healthier than before. So as this one, look at this guy, more healthy.